Stay down to the dancing, oh dancing, oh dancing, oh dancing, oh dancing, oh dancing.
Hey guys, so we're back to the last palette of the Ace Beauty Paradise collection again, since this will be my second time going around. So this is the look I came up with. I was, of course, thinking about doing something purple. Purple's my favorite color, and I was like, oh, of course I'm gonna do purple, but I was like, no, let's do gray. I'm pretty sure this is my first time playing with or touching gray eyeshadow because, I mean, gray isn't really that appealing, but that's what I did today. I actually really like this look. I have no idea where I would wear it. Maybe if I was like a witch for a Halloween or something. But it does look very Halloweeny and dark and grungy. I had so much fun creating this. Anyways, let's begin. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I'm basically going to be using the same technique I did when I first used this palette, but just with different colors. But when I was thinking of another look to do with this palette, of course, I gravitated to the purples again. But I was like, no, go with the grays. Like, I don't think I've ever put gray on my lid, so this is kind of new. So I'm going to be using these two gray colors. But yeah, I think this will be the only time I'm going to be touching gray eyeshadows, and I think it's kind of appropriate because it's near Halloween-ish. The first gray I'm going to go into is the lighter gray called Pure, and I'm doing the same technique I did when I first used this palette. I'm going to draw on my half cut crease and turn it into a, is it a double cut crease? I forgot what it's called. I'm going to do the same thing. So I am going to go in with the lighter gray first, Pure, just so if I make any mistakes I can quickly clean it up compared to using a darker color first.
Has no patience, look at his face and in his eyes. He's been waiting, he's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if I'll make it, don't know why he even tries. Say, oh, I am a believer.
Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a really small blending brush and that same light gray color. And this is kind of my template, so I know not to go below that and touch my lid.
Don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh, ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee cause I believe. I'll stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Stay down.
Okay, so now that we kind of have an outline, I'm going to go in with the darker gray color Stone and draw over that lighter gray.
Stay down to the dancing, oh dancing, oh dancing, oh dancing, oh dancing.
I'm just going to tap back into Stone and then blend out that line. Okay, so now I'm just going to get a tapered blending brush and back in with the color Pure and blend out the edges. Okay, now so one last time we're going back in with the darker gray, drawing that outline again but not blending it out.
Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground,
Okay, so now we're just going to use a black eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the color Blackout, and I'm just going to draw a wing first. Just trying to make it even.
Stay down to the dancing, oh dancing, oh dancing, oh dancing.
And again, we're not trying to connect the two. We're going to leave just a little tiny gap so that we can put some glitter liner. Okay, so I'm going to try doing that curved half circle eyeshadow thing again. So I'm just going to draw an outline. I found this guy on Instagram. I don't know if he's the one who created it, but I'll put his pictures here. But oh my gosh, I wish he showed how he does that because they're like perfectly nice and crisp. And I still don't know how to do it, but I'm going to attempt that again. I'm going to just try and make like a half circle.
Look at his face and in his eyes. He's been waiting, he's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if I'll make it, don't know why he even tries. Say, oh,
feel like this looks weird on my hooded eyes because when my eyes are open you can't really see it, but when my eyes are closed you can see it. Okay, so I'm just gonna fill in that gap with the black eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot that this black eyeshadow is really patchy. I'm probably gonna go over it with a gel liner. See, so it kind of looks curved. This side, on the other hand, not really. So I'm gonna continue that black eyeshadow on that line, but maybe about halfway through, I'm not gonna leave a gap like this. So I'm, like around here, it's gonna connect to the gray, there won't be a gap. We're basically gonna draw that black over that dark gray outline first.
Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna grab a black gel liner and just fill in where all that black is. So I'm just gonna fill it in first with an eyeliner brush, then I'm gonna go back into my winged liner brush for this part.
Stay down to the ground, 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 ground. Stay down to the dancing, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, oh, dancing.
Okay, so now for the lid, I'm gonna go in with the color Moon Glow, and I'm just gonna pack that on the lid. Okay, so you can keep it like that, but I need just a little bit more. This is what I did in my last makeup tutorial because the colors are fine. I just feel like it's not that it's not pigmented. I just feel like it's not like bam in your face. I kind of want the shadow to stand out. But like I said, you can just leave this on its own, but I am gonna pack a pigment on top. This is Impulse Cosmetics Platinum Blonde.
Has no patience, look at his face and in his eyes. He's been waiting,
See, there's just a little bit more like oomph to this side. Look how bright this is compared to this.
Don't know if I make it, don't know why he even tries. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to.
Now, so for glitter, I'm gonna go in with NYX's Crystal Silver Glitter Liner. So I'm gonna draw the liner till about there. And then I'm gonna put some liner underneath this curve right here.
Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground.
Okay, so now we have that liner on both sides, and I'm just gonna put some right in the middle. Not all the way, just like right here.
Stay down to the
You could totally like bring it all the way around, but since I have hooded eyes, if I blinked, it would transfer. So you could also bring it all the way around if you want to. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm gonna first go back in with the color Pure. Okay, and after Pure, we're gonna go back in with the darker gray Stone. And then for the outer third, I'm gonna go back in with Blackout. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go put on some mascara, lashes, and eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so for lips, you know, I was gonna be normal for once and do a nude, but I was like, no, let's go with gray. Let's look more like a corpse. I'm already wearing gray and gray. I mean, it's almost Halloween, why not, you know? I'm gonna go with Anastasia's Clover Liquid Lipstick.
Take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh, ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee cause I believe. Say, oh, I am a believer.
Okay, so just for a little bit of shine so it doesn't look completely matte, I'm gonna go in with Impulse Cosmetics Snow Angels eyeshadow. It's white, but there's a little bit of a blue tint or like blue sparkles in here. And I'm just gonna tap that right in the center. Okay, and we are all set. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, this eyelash is so annoying. God. See, without the lashes, you can see more of the shadow, but I don't know, this eye just looks like it's bigger. Till this day, I still suck at putting on eyelashes.